Matthew, everything on it. Come on.
Here we go.
Dad's reading the diner. Daddy.
Daddy, you're supposed to be there.
Give me the bunny. I'm gonna pay for you. I'm gonna pay for you. I'm gonna get the money.
So, what is your order?
Pizza with pineapple
And everything.
and everything on it.
One pizza with everything on it.
Put it there at the hole.
So now you're done with it. Why do you put your stuff, Matthew? I need help putting this on. Wait, use it on.
But I'm gonna pay for it.
Okay.
Daddy's paying. Daddy's paying. Come on.
Not yet.
Daddy's paying.
Faster. Put it here.
The customer is hungry, Matthew.
I'm hungry. Put it here. How much? 10, 15, $20? $25? Here. Put 25. 25.
2.5.
I just use it.
25 June. Okay.
Next.